Yo, what is up, everybody? We are live. Well, not live, but you know what I mean. From the UAE. I'm hyped to take you guys with me on this one because we're diving deep into everything you need to know to navigate this incredible country like a pro. Whether you're a first-time visitor or you've been around the block a few times, trust me, we've got the inside scoop on the best tips, tricks, and must-see attractions that will make your trip unforgettable. We're talking food, culture, adventure, and everything in between. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for the ultimate UAE adventure. Let's do this. All right, let's talk food, because let's be real, that's a big part of experiencing a new place, am I right? And the UAE, this place is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. We're talking mouth-watering shawarma, juicy kebabs, aromatic biryani, and the kind of hummus that will redefine your existence. But it's not just about the classics, man. The UAE is a melting pot of cultures, which means you've got incredible Indian, Pakistani, Lebanese, you name it, all within arm's reach. Oh, and don't even get me started on the desserts. Nefi baklava, lukaimat. These are just a few of the sugary treats that will have you licking your fingers and begging for more. Trust me, your taste buds will be thanking you. One of the first things you'll notice about the UAE is how incredibly safe it is. Seriously, they take security seriously here. You've got CCTV cameras everywhere, a strong police presence, and super low crime rates. That means you can relax and enjoy your trip without constantly looking over your shoulder. Walk around at night, explore different neighborhoods. You're good to go, but remember, safety is a two-way street. Respect local customs, dress modestly, especially in religious places, and be mindful of your surroundings. Common sense goes a long way, you know. Okay, real talk. The UAE can be pricey, but hold up, don't freak out. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to experience the best of the best without breaking the bank. First up, ditch the fancy hotels and check out Airbnb for more affordable options. Trust me, there are some killer deals to be found. Next, transportation. Skip the expensive taxis and hop on the Dubai Metro. It's clean, efficient, and will save you a ton of cash. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try the local buses or even walk. It's a great way to soak in the vibes. All right, let's talk about the main event, the attractions. First up, you gotta, and I mean gotta, visit the Burj Khalifa. This iconic skyscraper is a sight to behold, and the view from the top, mind-blowing. But the UAE is more than just skyscrapers, people. Head to the desert for a dune-bashing safari. I'm talking adrenaline-pumping rides over sand dunes, followed by a traditional Bedouin dinner under the stars. It's an experience you won't forget, and of course no trip to the UAE is complete without exploring the souks. These bustling marketplaces are a sensory overload. The smell of spices, the vibrant colors, the sound of bartering. It's an assault on the senses in the best possible way. Now, let's get real about the cost of living in the UAE. It's not cheap, but it's all about perspective, you know? You can find affordable options if you look for them. For example, street food will cost you a few dirhams, while a fancy dinner can set you back a couple hundred. Transportation is relatively inexpensive, especially if you use the metro. Accommodation can vary greatly depending on your budget and preferences. But hey, that's where those Airbnb hacks come in handy, right? The key is to do your research and plan accordingly. All right, so you're thinking about making the UAE your new home base? That's awesome. The UAE is a land of opportunity, especially if you're ambitious and driven. First things first, you'll need a visa. The most common way to get one is through employment. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Bait are great places to start your job search. Networking is key, so connect with people in your industry, attend industry events, and put yourself out there. And remember, persistence is key. The UAE rewards those who hustle, so don't give up on your dreams. All right, party people, listen up. The UAE knows how to have a good time. We're talking world-class nightclubs, rooftop bars with epic views, and beach clubs that will blow your mind. From Dubai to Abu Dhabi, the nightlife scene here is off the hook. Just remember, alcohol is generally only served in licensed venues like hotels and clubs, and there are rules about public intoxication. So be respectful and don't be that person. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or a more chilled vibe, the UAE has something for everyone. So put on your dancing shoes, grab your friends, and get ready to experience the electrifying nightlife of the UAE. That's a wrap from the UAE, guys. This place is truly something special, and I hope this video has inspired you to book that trip and experience it for yourself. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with your adventure buddies. And hey, if you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. I'm signing off for now, but stay tuned for more epic travel adventures. Safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Peace.